They say that as much as a person becomes famous, their life also becomes increasingly endangered. When it comes to famous individuals, the Bollywood film industry is no exception. Bollywood stars have a massive following worldwide, with millions of fans. After becoming a star, it is not easy to protect yourself from your admirers and deal with unsolicited affection and attention. To address this, superstars often have to hire bodyguards, and these bodyguards not only safeguard their lives, but also shield them from the daily challenges they face. It's evident that nothing comes for free, and these services come at a hefty price. Today, we will talk about the bodyguards and salaries of famous Bollywood actors. Welcome to Global Success Stories. Firstly, let's talk about Salman Khan's bodyguard. He's a towering figure with a muscular physique, standing at 6 feet. His real name is Gurmeet Singh Jolly, known as Shera. Shera has been faithfully and courageously safeguarding Salman Khan for the past 25 years. Shera is considered one of India's best bodybuilders and has even competed professionally. He has been protecting Salman Khan through thick and thin, to the extent that Shera has become an integral part of Salman Khan's household. Shera has stated that he will protect Salman Khan until his last breath. Whenever there is a threat to Salman Khan's life, Shera stands not behind him but in front, ready to take the bullet. Salman Khan has great attachment to Shera, and it is said that he is familiar with every aspect of Salman Khan's life. If Shera ever decides to write a book about Salman Khan, it could put Salman Khan's reputation at risk. Salman Khan, who earns billions annually, also pays Shera a significant salary. Shera's annual income is around 2 crore rupees, which translates to a monthly salary of 16 lakh rupees. However, this is not all. Shera travels around the world with Salman Khan, taking care of everything from meals to accommodation. Salman Khan's attachment to Shera is so strong that he even dedicated a film, Bodyguard, to him. Now let's talk about Shah Rukh Khan's bodyguard, Ravi Singh. Ravi Singh is a 6.5 feet tall bodyguard who has been protecting Shah Rukh Khan and his family for the past 10 years. His job involves not only ensuring Shah Rukh Khan's safety, but also keeping the fans at a safe distance to avoid any harm or disturbance. Ravi Singh earns an annual salary of 80 lakh rupees, which translates to a monthly income of 6.67 lakh rupees. Next is the legend of Indian cinema, Amitabh Bachchan. His bodyguard's name is Jitendra Shinde. With each generation, the number of Amitabh Bachchan's admirers continues to grow. Therefore, having a reliable bodyguard is essential for Amitabh Bachchan's safety. For this role, he has chosen Jitendra Shinde, who keeps the fans at a suitable distance. Jitendra Shinde earns an annual income of 1.2 crore rupees, which comes to a monthly salary of 10 lakh rupees. Amitabh Bachchan's security is taken seriously, and the presence of a good bodyguard is a necessity. Despite this, Jitendra Shinde is a bodyguard who ensures that the Big B's admirers do not get too close to him. In addition to his salary, Jitendra Shinde also earns 12 lakh rupees annually, which comes to a monthly income of 1 lakh rupees. As for Akshay Kumar, who is also a martial arts artist himself, he doesn't feel the need to have a bodyguard. However, he has hired a person named Shreyas to protect his family's safety. Shreyas is like a shadow to Akshay Kumar and ensures that Akshay Kumar's admirers maintain a suitable distance. He receives an annual income of 1.2 crore rupees, which amounts to a monthly salary of 10 lakh rupees.